हो गया।
Hello, hello boys. Welcome in KVR Academy online class. I am Praveen Misra. Today I shall teach you class 5th maths. Here we learn about simple interest. First we know what is simple interest. We denote its abbreviate form in SI. S means simple interest. Here, what is simple interest? When we take or give money, then we return it, we paid some more amount. That amount which give us as a extra amount, that is called simple interest. When it is paid only the principal amount or given amount, it is called simple interest. In further classes we learn about compound interest, when our interest will be changed into the principal, then we paid the interest at the this amount. So in this class only learn simple interest. We can write in short simple interest SI. Here some important rules of SI. Here A means amount including this principal P and simple interest, means when a person take or give amounts and then it's returned at extra as a extra amount, that is called our amount. In amounts, two things means P means principal and simple interest are including. So it is the our amount will be greater than principal because much simple interest in this amount. Principal, if we know what is our principal amount, principal, and given the amount of returning after some times, then we subtract the simple interest, then we can find our principal, means principal equal to amount minus simple interest. Here simple we can know simple interest to subtracting principal by amounts, because our amount is here in this lines. We can easily say the amount will be greater than principal, so we can easily find our simple interest to subtract principal from amounts. Then here simple interest, formula of simple interest equal to principal into rate into time upon 100. We can write formula as short form P into R into T upon 100. To learn the formula of simple interest, we can easily learn simple interest equal to PRT upon 100. PRT means P into R into T upon 100. If this formula can be calculated on the hundreds amount, this formula can calculate on 100. If a person take hundreds rupees and rates are at the 100%, 100 rupees, or time will be changed, the amount will be changed, and principal our interest will be depend on principal. If principal will be more, then our interest will be more. It will be depend on time. If your time will be more, then it will be a big amount. If it when the time will be less, our amount will be little. And it is depend on rate. It is big factor to effect of interest. If our rate are higher, then we can get interest in minimum time, maximum. In some time we can get maximum amount interest when our rate will be high rate. If our rate will be very low, just like banks or others institutes, then we can take minimum maximum, if we can take maximum time, but our interest will be very little because our rate will be down. So it is mainly depend on rate. Here the large amount loans and further times will be take in the rate will be very low. If rate will be very high, then our simple interest will be very high. So it is depend on principal, rate and time. If principal will be growth, principal will be big amount, that our amount interest will be very large amount. If time short, our simple interest will be little amount. If our time will be grow more, then our interest will be grow. Okay, let's